Hi guys, this is Ashwin from Simply Analytics. Welcome. Our main motto is to make analytics simple just because of the fact it is simple. So without wasting much time, let's just jump in. In today's session, we are going to see a brief introduction of text analytics and some basic terminologies. What is text analytics? Text analytics is an automated process of analyzing text to gather insights, trends, or patterns. Since text are unstructured data, that is, no numbers are associated to it, it is somewhat difficult to analyze it programmatically. So, now, are you inquisitive on how text gets analyzed? Some of you would have guessed it right. Yes, we disassemble the text, that is, split the sentence into small elements in a form they can be treated numerically. So, what exactly is done? So each comment from a customer satisfaction study or from social media platforms, say like Twitter or Facebook, can be fitted in a row of data with different words used in the comment. Sounds little bit difficult to imagine? Don't worry, let's see a visual representation of it so that it will be simply for you. Take a simple Twitter conversation where we have four comments like this. Sachin is god of cricket. Yes, indeed, but Kohli is king of cricket. Whatever said. Ganguly is prince of cricket. Our Tala Dhoni is boss of cricket. So we have this four simple Twitter conversations. So what we discussed earlier is that we can split each comment into one block of text. While in certain cases, two to three words can be taken as one block of text, but in general, each word is taken as one block of text. So if you see comment 1, Sachin is god of cricket, we are split into 6 columns, while in the case of comment 2, we are split into 9 columns. So like this, we can split each comment into one block of text. Okay. So if you take a comment, okay, in text analytics parlance, each row is considered as a document. Okay. So in our case, we have 4 comments, so we'll have 4 documents. Now the column which contain block of words are called as variables or word vectors. Word vectors is somewhat different from variables in the sense the moment we define it as a vector, it has some direction and meaning to it. This can be discussed at a much later stage, but for now consider it as variables or word vectors. So each comment is considered as a document and each block of text are considered as variables or word vectors. It is as simple as that. While analyzing text, the first thing we do is cleaning the text. While there are 4 or 5 steps in cleaning the text, for simplicity, I will introduce one basic thing here. The rest we can discuss in our later sessions, say like word cloud session. So if you see in our sentence, the one highlighted in yellow or special characters, which doesn't add any meaning to our analysis. So they are removed first. So characters such as comma, punctuations or any other special characters are removed. So after removing punctuations, it looks something like this. Okay. So having text in this type of arrangement is difficult to analyze, especially considering when we have huge number of comments. So to analyze text, okay, we introduce something called as term frequency matrix or variable frequency matrix. So what is it? It is really simple. You take all unique words from the comments and list it down on separate columns, which is known as so-called word vectors. Then you can take each comment, that is document, and start seeing if the column text is present in the document. If it is present, put it as 1. If no, put it as 0. Okay, or you can just leave it as blank. After doing this, we can figure out 3 words are commonly spoken in this Twitter conversation. That is, of, and cricket, which has been spoken 4 times. So from this, we come to determine that the conversation is something related to cricket. So this is how we have analyzed the text here. Before we end this video, I would like to highlight two more important terms that we generally use in text analytics. One is tokens and another is named entity extraction. So don't get overboard with the simple. It is as simple as like the other terms that we saw earlier. Tokens. Tokens is just basically a block of words that we see post data cleaning. So after cleaning the text, whatever remains in the columns are called as tokens. So without our knowledge of the terms, we have already did a process called tokenization. Cheers. Next is named entity extraction. As you can see, computers can recognize commonly used terms and languages. But how do you expect a computer to recognize your name or my name or any organization name as well? So the process of extracting names from the command is called as named entity extraction. So what we do is that we pass on a set of words so that computers can understand that it is a name and have a single meaning. Okay, in our case my name is Ashwin Srinivasan, so the computer doesn't know that my name as a common word, so I pass that name so that computer can recognize if that name comes in a comment, then it recognizes okay, it is a name. It is often used to identify people or organizations and sometimes locations as well. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video. So to summarize whatever we have learned today, we have learned about text analytics and how they are analyzed. It is very really simple. We split the text into block of words. We also saw introduction on some important terms like documents, variables, term frequency matrix, tokens, and named entity extraction. Documents is nothing but the comments, variables is nothing but the block of text, term frequency is nothing but how much frequently that each term is occurring, that is each word is occurring. Okay, anything post data cleaning process is called tokens, and anything that your name or my name is called as names, which is being passed into the computer, it is called named entity extraction. Very simple, right? So thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, and any comments, please feel free to share it. We are amateurs, so any feedback should help our cause. So the next video will be on workload generation in R and Python. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Thank you.